everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video, I'm quite excited about it. I'm not gonna lie. It's the first kind of video like this I've filmed in a long time, and it is, oh, so heavy. It's a Poundland haul, and I haven't done one of these hauls in so long, but I wanted to share this one with you guys because it's slightly different in that it's not a general Poundland haul. It's gonna be a cleaning and house focused Poundland haul. So I really hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, I'd love it if you gave it a big thumbs up, of course. I would also love to have you around, so please do hit that subscribe button if you're new, for new videos every single Wednesday and Sunday. Now, bit of a background. I have been on a cleaning hype recently, and I'm obsessed with watching clean with me videos. I don't know what it is about them, they're just so relaxing and I'm just loving them. So I really wanted to film my very own clean with me, which is coming. But of course I wanted to deck out my cleaning cupboard with all new bits and bobs to use. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing I picked up from Poundland, oh, that was a good catch. From Poundland is this. It's just a pack of 10 no scratch scourers, so they're not as kind of aggressive as the green and yellow ones you can get. They're a bit tamer, but they do get off all those grubby marks and stains. So yeah, a pack of 10, can't go wrong, really simple, easy, good to have in your cupboard. Along the same kind of lines, I also picked up some sponge cloths. I like using these just to wipe down my sinks, my surfaces. I'm also going to try and clean the oven at some point as well, so I thought these would be really handy to do that with. And this pack is a pack of 4 for £1. Now, I also picked up something that I can't believe I don't have them, but rubber gloves. I've gone for a size medium. You can get small, medium and large. Medium's probably going to be a bit big for me, but you know when you're faffing around just trying to get them on and off, I've gone for a medium because of that. And now the reason I've got these is because I want to add some boiling hot water into my sink, add in a bit of Sephora, and use that to kind of clean my cloths and bits and bobs. So obviously you don't want to burn yourself. So I've got myself a pair of rubber gloves. I feel like such a housewife. Now, I also picked up some duck. This is the pine flavour. It's not really a flavour, more of a scent. But I absolutely love this scent. It's probably my favourite scent. Yeah, it just smells really nice and fresh. It's my favourite scent to use in the bathroom, and I don't mind the green colour, but I prefer the green colour to like a fluorescent pink or blue. So I picked this one up, obviously a staple. Now, I also picked up another trusty staple. This is the bathroom Dettol cleaner. Now, this is anti-bac, it cuts lime scale and soap scum, and it's in the scent Fresh. It's really good for just like taps, toilet seats, sinks, all of that good stuff. Really buffers it up and cleans it, and yeah, it's antibacterial, so obviously you need it. Now, another absolute essential that I always pick up and always use actually for my hob is this. It's the Sif cream, and I don't know if you have a kind of electric glass hob or not, but I find this cleans my hob really well, and I kind of just squirt it over the hob and then give it a kind of bit of a buff and then tidy the rest away with a tea towel. But I don't think there's anything else that works better than this on my hob. I don't know about you, but yeah, had to pick it up, only £1, amazing. Now, I was influenced to purchase this. So this is the pink stuff, and I think I saw this on Laura Meacham's channel, but it is this. It says Miracle Cream Cleaner, but I'm just thinking I can use it on kind of any surfaces. I can use it on the sink. What does it actually say? So, the pink stuff, Miracle Cleaner, our versatile liquid cream cleaner for hard surfaces. It's tough on stains, penetrates and removes grease and grime, leaving it shiny. Apply it to damp, soft cloth or sponge. Oh, so I'm guessing you can pretty much use it on any kind of hard surfaces. So give it a try in the kitchen, maybe in the bathroom, we'll see. But yeah, but I'm guessing it is like bright pink. It doesn't really smell of anything. But yeah, I'm guessing it's bright pink, so that'll be fun. Now, another staple I also picked up is the Dettol antibacterial surface cleaner. This I just like to spray over my worktops and surfaces, and also the back of my kind of splashboard by my hob. Also gets quite dirty, so I like to use this to clean it. And then the final couple bits along the cleaning lines that I picked up from Poundland are these. They're Airwick Pure sprays. And I actually first came, I suppose, across these at work. Oh my god, they're so good. They smell so nice. They smell lovely. And the way that they're designed is you just kind of do like one puff, and they smell really nice. So if you want to like freshen anywhere up, the bathroom, anywhere else in the house, these are perfect. These were actually £2 from Poundland, but they're so good and they last for ages, so had to pick these up. And the smell is soft cotton, and I love any kind of cottony smells and linen smells. So good. And I did pick up a couple more kind of home staples from Poundland that I will show you, considering this is a Poundland haul. They're not really cleaning related, they're kind of random. So this is just a thick sticky tape. So when I'm kind of sending parcels back, and when I am sending off depot parcels, I do like to use a bit of a thicker tape than normal sellotape. So here you get 2 packs for £1, which I thought was really great value. I suppose this is along the cleaning lines, but more kind of like personal cleaning. I picked up this Original Source shower gel. I've got the Zesty Lemon and Tea Tree because it's my favourite. I've tried, oh it's so good. I've tried so many other scents of this and always come back to this one. I also like the pink one, which is coconut and strawberry, raspberry, maybe? Can't remember. But this is my favourite, and Poundland have loads of these. So if you need to stock up, head to Poundland. And I also picked up another kitchen staple, which is these. I get 120 of the medium handle food and freezer bags. They're so handy for making kind of sandwiches, rolls, bagging things up that you want to store for a bit longer in the fridge, freezing things obviously. Yeah, they're just really handy. You know, there's little bags that you kind of reach for and need all the time. This is those, and they have loads of different sizes in Poundland, so you can go and have a look. Now, this definitely isn't cleaning related, but I also picked up these 4-pack of Milky Bars because I haven't had Milky Bars in so long, and I'm doing a bit, so I'm actually going to Australia soon, and I'm on a bit of like a calorie controlled diet. It's not a diet, you know, just want to shed a couple of pounds before I go away. So I am counting calories at the moment, and so I picked up these bars. They're only 136 calories each, which I thought was amazing for chocolate, and white chocolate and Milky Bar. They're just so good. And the last thing I picked up, along the same kind of calorie hype lines, I got a pack of Haribo, and inside are 10 mini bags of mini Tangfastics. Like, if you're a Haribo fan like me and you love Haribo Tangfastics, these are just the cutest because they are little mini versions of the Tangfastics. So you have like little mini dummies, cola bottles, crocodiles. You've got all of that stuff going on here. Cherries, like little mini versions, they're really cute. And each bag is, does it say? No, that's helpful. It doesn't actually say, yeah, it doesn't actually say how many calories are in each bag, but I expect when I scan it into my fitness pal, it will probably tell me. Yeah, I just thought it was a good option for kind of portion control. And that is everything that I picked up at Poundland today. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. As I mentioned at the start, I am going to be filming more cleaning videos on this channel because it's something that I'm really into at the moment. I want to share it with you guys as well. I'm kind of branching out a little bit and doing a couple things differently on this channel. So I really hope you enjoy this new kind of content. And if you do enjoy it, obviously I would love to have you around for the long term. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye, thanks for watching.